Danke bafethu ama-reports about ibhola-ke uLodge noMailula njengoba badlala lena eMorocco bobawu-2 bawina igame enkulu-ke nge-weekend ukuthi baphushe for i-CAF Champions League bahleli ku-number 3. Indaba ezinhle-ke for both of them ukuthi uLodge ukorile-ke nanokuthi-ke bapromiswe ama-bonus we-39,000 each just for ukuthi nje bawina leya game enkulu yabo. I think yinto ebaphushile abafana nanokuthi-ke babe highly motivated going to that game. Ngicabanga ukuthi no-Lodge imsebenzele ngempela le ndaba lokuthi aye eMorocco. Sesiyazi ukuthi ucoach Rulani Mokwena umuntu wamletha lapha eMorocco akasekho, but-ke lento lokuthi uLodge aye le eMorocco imsebenzele ngoba lapha i-comfort zone yakhe ayikho, is far away from home. Mele azibambe ziqine ngempela, amake sure ukuthi uyaphusha nanokuthi i-career yakhe yaseveka njengoba beka kuMamelodi Sundowns bese kubonakala ngempela ukuthi ngeke adlale kuMamelodi Sundowns, competition tight for yena or i-coach nje akekho ama-plans we-coach uyena umfana uThembi Nkosi Lodge. Siyazi ukuthi uThembi Nkosi Lodge super talented-ke but-ke udlala lapha eMorocco, so bona ukuthi bazomgcina noma Mamelodi Sundowns izom-overprice or izomprice kahle ukuthi bakwazi ukumthenga yabo. So zonke lezo zinto lezo zizo-addressiwa soon, I think after i-Club World Cup, because nabo sibabonile bathatha iy'thombe uLodge noMailula ngathi bayaya ngempela lapha e-America ku-Club World Cup, but we have to wait and see ukuthi le ndaba ze-Club World Cup zizohamba kanjani, because ngiyacabanga ukuthi ambalwa ama-team abheke uLodge nanokuthi bam-ede ethimini yabo. Ezinye-ke sizokhuluma ngazo ukuthi lo Lebohang Maboy lona olonwe from iMamelodi Sundowns ube absent-ke ku-Chippa United. Chippa United meyishaya-ke laphana iChippa ube upset iSuperSport mayishaya iChippa United yeah. So coach wakhe sekhulumile ukuthi hayi ukuthi inkinga yakhe yini, uyasho ukuthi uLebu benenkinga encane nje i-injury emkhiphe out for a couple of weeks, but-ke bona bebangayinotisanga kusho ukuthi bedlala aperforma kahle benayo le injury but bebangayinotisanga, yingakho-ke angakwazanga ukudlala lo muntu lona o highly influential kanje kuSuperSport United yabo, izinto ezinjalo. But-ke yeah, uLebohang solo kafikele kuSuperSport United, the team is not doing well, but yena has been highly influential nanokuthi-ke udlala ibhola elihle kakhulu elisezingeni eliphezulu. Abaningi nje abantu bayasho ukuthi it was a good move ukuthi asuke kuphi kuMamelodi Sundowns laphana-ke kuSuperSport United ukuthi akwazi ukudlala ezingeni eliphezulu leli thina simjwayele ngalo. Ezinye itori-ke i-coach eKaizer Chiefs ecoacha laphana ku-PSL Reserve League i-DStv Diski Challenge baqeda ukuwina-ke i-title yabo. So i-coach yakhona uvela Khumalo so umenshine indaba yokuthi they did it for the team, they did it for i-chairman eKaizer Chiefs yabo. Uthi finally ba ama-champions vele ku-officially good performance-ke yabo ya final day beyinhle kakhulu ngoba phela bashaye ama-5 goals against amaZulu, so kuyabonakala ukuthi i-DDC team yelo eKaizer Chiefs strong kakhulu. Uthi into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bona bewafuna i-70 points which is good, and then uthi bazoyithatha vele le 70 point lena ama-results-ke la we-5-0 bashaya amaZulu khona yabo. And uthi they are doing it for i-chairman, they are doing it for ama-supporters nawo wonke umuntu associated to iNaturena village yabo. Uthi ngeke akwazi ukuba-mention bonke behind the scenes, but-ke yeah ujabule kakhulu ukuthi bakwazile ukuba ku-space esi-right nanokuthi babe ama-champions. Uthi congratulations to everybody, chairman, this is for you yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke ikwazile ukuwina i-title ye-DDC lena beyi-highly competitive because ne-Stellenbosch beyibagijimisa kwasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-too strong for amanye ama-team yabo. Danko bafowethu.